Did you know that your ESP32 can run a Flappy Bird game on a TFT screen? And the best part? I controlled it using a joystick button. Hey everyone, welcome to Cooltronics Projects. In this project, I made a Flappy Bird style handheld game using an ESP32, an ILI 9341 TFT display, and a joystick module. First, let's assemble the circuit. Connect the TFT display VCC to 3.3 volts, and GND to ground. Then connect CS, Reset, DC, MOSI, MISO, and SCK pins to the ESP32 SPI pins defined in the code. After that, connect the joystick VCC to 3.3 volts, GND to ground, and the switch pin to GPIO 16. I used only the display pins of the TFT module. I did not connect the touchscreen pins, because this project only needs graphics output. That keeps wiring simple and clean. Now let's do a quick code review. First, the TFT library initializes the display and sets screen rotation. Then variables are created for bird position, gravity, flap power, pipes, score, and game state. Inside the main loop, when the joystick button is pressed, the bird moves upward. Gravity continuously pulls the bird downward. Pipes move from right to left, and new gaps are generated randomly. The code also checks colisions with pipes or screen boundaries. If a collision happens, the game over screen appears. If the bird passes a pipe safely, the score increases. The ESP32 handles everything in real time. It draws the moving pipes, bird animation, score counter, and smooth gameplay on the TFT display. When the system powers on, a custom Cooltronics project's boot animation appears first. Then the game starts automatically. The objective is simple: keep the bird flying and avoid hitting the pipes. Every pipe you pass increases your score. This project is a great way to learn SPI displays, ESP32 graphics, game logic, and button input programming. You can upgrade it by adding a buzzer, battery pack, EEPROM high score memory, or a custom handheld gaming case. If you want the full code and more ESP32 projects like this, subscribe to Cooltronics Projects. See you in the next project.